Welcome. My name's Ian Cuneo from Ray White Real Estate. Today we've got a series of industry experts to put together some videos to assist you as a purchaser or a seller to understand the real estate jigsaw puzzle. Come with me, let's go and get some great ideas. Welcome. We're here today with Paul Hale from the Loan Market. Paul is the #1 mortgage broker in Queensland, and I'm sure he's going to give us some wonderful insights into the mortgage broking industry and more the point on how to help you get from A to B. Paul, could you tell us a little bit about yourself and the origins of the Loan Market?
Well, the Loan Market was established by Brian White just on 20 years ago to provide a service for Ray White customers, Ian. He had seen that there was an opportunity to provide a mortgage broking service to people coming through open homes and buying property from Ray White. So he set up the Loan Market as two people running out of an office in Eagle Street. That's now evolved into a national business with 600 brokers across Australia servicing most Ray White offices in the network. I've been a mortgage broker since about 2004 and working in Brisbane the whole time.
Paul, as a real estate salesperson, I bump into people who have got an existing home and they want to purchase a second property. Could you give us some tips on how do you assist a purchaser from getting from A to B with respect to mortgage broking?
Well, the first thing we have to do, Ian, is we have to establish if they've got the equity in their existing real estate to be able to buy something else. And being an established broker, I have access to 6 or 7 banks who will allow me to order a valuation up front. So very often when you refer me a customer, I'm able to establish up front what their existing real estate is valued at by the bank so that we know exactly what they're able to do in preparation for their purchase with you.
Paul, could you give us some tips as to what are the benefits of a purchaser using a mortgage broker or even an existing owner who has a current mortgage? Why would they come to you as a mortgage broker as opposed to going directly to their own bank?
There are 2 distinct reasons why I think seeing a mortgage broker is a very positive experience for my customers. The first one is I like to think that I can educate them in the borrowing process, but also in the real estate process. So if they come to me and they're either a first home buyer or an established buyer of real estate, I let them know very early what their purchase costs are, I let them know what they can borrow, who they can borrow it with, and then I educate them about products and policies and different features to do with the lendings, and of course most importantly what their proposed repayments are. The other reason that they'd come and see a mortgage broker is choice. I offer impartial advice on behalf of every bank on our panel, which is just about every bank on the high street and more. And when I offer that advice, I put them into the bank that best suits their situation, totally impartially. In Australia, we're very fortunate in that the banks remunerate mortgage brokers well enough that we don't need to charge a fee. In other countries where I've worked, a mortgage broker would charge your customer a fee, but here we get charged a percentage of the loan advance, we get paid that by the bank at settlement, and it doesn't cost the customers anything. So there is no fee loading, rate loading, there is no supplementary cost to the customer to use a mortgage broker.
We live in a competitive world these days. Paul, what would you say is your point of difference as a mortgage broker and also the Loan Market as a company, as a mortgage broking house?
Well, I think with the Loan Market, they only admit good quality mortgage brokers and allow them to be attached to Ray White offices. There are a lot of other aggregation groups out there that basically will take anybody on board, but Loan Market have a very strict entrance criteria and make sure that the mortgage brokers that service the Ray White office are skilled and add value to the clients of Ray White agents who are working in them, such as yours, Ian. My point of difference is I believe that I am very thorough and very determined, and if I see a customer who I believe is a good candidate for a loan, then I'll leave no stone unturned to get them that loan. And if the first lender turns out not to be the right option, then the second and the third will be.
Paul, I hope the viewers got some wonderful tips from you. I really appreciate your time. I know you're a busy man. Thank you.